Okay YouTube, I've had some questions on the size of my welder. Well, it's only a little one I've had for quite a while. Alright, we're going to do another demonstration. Trevor's here willing to have another go at
pretty much
sticking a couple of bits of metal together. You know, decent thickness. And now to show you that the welder is plugged in, there's the power cord. So no smoke and mirrors here. He's running up to the power point, and I've got an amp gauge today because people don't know how many amps it pulls out of the inverter. Connected to the inverter, a little bit of a bodgy, but last minute thing. So you people on YouTube land can see the amps and currents. Alright Trev, let's do this test. So basically the welder's pulling over 20 something amps. Let's see what we can catch the inverter at. 99%. And we're pulling 226. And there's some more amps. And just to make sure everyone can see it, there's Trevor welding. And he's got a constant weld. Oh, he stopped. Oh, look, we're surging up at the converter's capacity. So, there you go, YouTube. Let's have a bit more while he's got going. So there are all the amps while we're welding out of this 7-star inverter. And we decided this one because he could get it going. There's so he started to weld that end and just kept it going. Alright YouTube, and just to make sure, there's the welder and there's the leads running off to Trevor. Alright, goodbye YouTube.